Good morning, Dyches fam. It is a beautiful day, and guess what? There is no school today. So we all get to hang out today because it is Labor Day, and it's awesome to have a day off. Dad, what happened yesterday on the live stream?
I don't have a day off.
Oh, Dad's always working.
If you want to become an honorary Dyches fam member, you can go pick up a t-shirt today. Yeah. So we created a storefront on Teespring. Here's the shirt options, and you can get. So let's take a look at the youth here. So we got these.
We got kids sizes. Cool, ooh, I like the gray.
Black logo, but you can actually go in and pick out what color you want. See how cool that is? Ooh. And you can get one of these shirts. Lots of colors. We just had somebody buy this one right here, just barely. You can go pick one of those t-shirts up today, so click on the description below and go buy you one and become an honorary Dyches fam member today.
Okay, and my sweet little Nicole, she has been begging and begging and begging. How many days do you think you've been asking?
5.
Like so many. Mom, can we make cookies today? Mom, can we make cookies today?
Are for me.
Mom, can we make cookies today?
Cookies.
Because when Nicole goes to library, she doesn't get books that she can read. She gets books about how to cook, right? So this one is the one she picked out this week, Cooking for Kids collection. And she has picked out this cute little bug and flour sugar cookies to make today. So, Nicole, guess what?
Guess what?
Today is finally the day to make cookies.
Hooray!
Hooray, let's do it.
Hurry.
Okay, what do we have so far?
We have vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 sticks of butter.
And how's it smell?
It smells like vanilla, and I just want to eat it plain. Doesn't it taste bad?
I don't know. Stick your finger in there and taste it.
Me?
Yeah, you.
Literally?
Literally.
I'm gonna do it too.
Okay.
I don't.
Isn't that weird? It smells so good, but it doesn't taste good. But then it tastes good in your food, huh?
It tastes good. Mom, it tastes good to me.
Okay, lesson. Don't eat vanilla plain. That does not taste good. The reason that vanilla tastes bad is that they use alcohol to extract the flavoring from the beans. When it cooks, then the alcohol all evaporates out while it's cooking.
You made me eat alcohol.
Oh, man.
Mommy.
Don't get drunk off these cookies.
It smells so good. Why is it so bad? Oh, it's like cocoa. It smells so good, but it's good.
That's right. Cocoa powder doesn't taste very good without sugar added, does it? So let's add some sugar.
And then I'm going to try it. Yeah. We are making the vanilla and the butter mix to make it fluffy.
What does fluffy look like? Does that look like fluffy?
Not yet.
Okay, William, what did you make today?
A cabbage and a turtle.
A what?
A cabbage and a turtle.
A caterpillar and a turtle. And Tayden, what did you make?
I made a southern cassowary and a snake. A snake and a caterpillar.
What? Those are awesome. Nicole, what do we have over here?
So I made a caterpillar, a flower, and a butterfly, and I don't know what that is.
This is gonna be a spider. We're gonna put candy legs on him. Is that gonna be awesome? Okay, let's bake these. Cookies are all done. Don't they look gorgeous, Tayden?
You dropped my snake.
Oh, she got the right milk.
I'm so sorry. When I like scooped it up, it just fell on the ground and it broke in a million pieces. I'm so sorry.
I'm
I'm so sorry. So what color did you want, Tay?
So I wanted purple.
Not just purple.
The darkest purple we could get.
Okay. William, what color did you want?
Lime green blue.
Turquoise, right?
Yeah, he wanted turquoise.
No,
And
lime green.
Clay, what color did you want?
I wanted lime green.
Gorgeous. And then we have all these yummy candies that we are going to use to make these beautiful. So, get to work, people. Okay, people. Looking amazing. Okay, that cassowary is super cool.
I'm almost done with mine.
And then we have these awesome food coloring markers.
Mom, and I want to try on the...
These are really fun because you can, okay, yeah, just draw on that part. Hopefully they taste as good as they look. They're super pretty. Okay, William, which cookie did you finish?
My turtle.
Oh, wow. He is a what?
A turtle.
But like what colors did you do?
I just want to try.
Every single color. He's a rainbow turtle, huh?
Yeah,
You're gonna put some more decorations on him?
right now I'm taking a bunch of nerds and I'm putting it in my hand and I'm stumping it on my turtle. And so it's like the shell, like the design of the shell.
Ooh, that's a cute idea. What is this artistic masterpiece you have made?
It's a southern cassowary.
Why do you like those?
One, because they're really unique. They're in the ostrich family and they have 5-inch long talons on the bottom of their feet. They're literally, birds are the closest animals we have to reptiles, but this is the closest bird that looks
To a
like
dinosaur, right?
Yeah, it literally, the blue on its snake has scales, it has scales on its feet, and it has a crest. Look at that. It has a crest on its head.
Tayden, you
true
are
story.
so cool. If you haven't heard of a cassowary, you guys should definitely look it up because they are some crazy creatures,
Yeah,
right?
dude, they're awesome.
And we are now celebrating by opening all of Roswell's birthday present. Hey! Oh, and Roswell's trying to walk to me. Hey, I wanted to show your cute teepee, honey. Let's go see the boys in there. Come on. Say knock, knock, knock. Peekaboo! Oh no, run away, run away! We're having a lot of fun with our new teepee, aren't we? Yeah! Yeah! It's a fun little hiding place for the kids. Can you believe how good he's walking? Oh, Daddy learned to walk too! Dad, I'm not sure you can fit in that thing. That is one big baby in the tent.
Lots of fun sleepovers in this.
Knock,
Welcome to our
knock.
tank cribs, where we're so comfortable.
How many men can you fit in a teepee tent?
Missing someone with all your missing someone.
That is a lot of people in a little teepee tent.
What are we doing right now?
We're going to another movie.
What movie is it?
Leap.
Leap. Ask these guys if they ever seen it.
Have you guys seen it yet?
If not, what do we tell them to do?
Leave us a comment below.
Yeah, and let us know if you guys liked it. Okay, go give Grandma love. Go, hustle. Hustle, give her love.
And you deserve. And you
I wish Christina and Rosie were here.
I know, they stayed home.
I know, darn it, that's not very nice.
Hey, did you guys know that it's Grandpa's birthday this week?
Hey, how old is he? Who knows how old he is? 65.
He's an old fart. Happy birthday this week. Thanks.
No.
Go tell my dad happy birthday in the comments below. He's almost 70. What?
Hey, just remember
He's
this,
67 this year. That's crazy. Hey guys, we just got out of the movie and we got some professional critics here. What did you guys think of the movie?
Great.
It was great? It was okay? So who are these guys?
This is Ford and Sydney.
What's your name?
I'm Ford.
Ford.
I'm Sydney.
Sydney, and they're our friends, huh? They came to the movie with us today. Okay, anything else you want to say or do?
Say hi, YouTube world.
I am a really good skateboarder.
You are?
And karate.
Awesome. Okay, why don't you guys do me a favor and tell the Dyches fam peace out.
Peace out, Dyches fam.
Okay, so we just get home from the movie and I see this bright pinky thing in the house.
I wonder whose this is. Josh, I got you a new bright pink dresser.
You're so nice. Look at this. Oh, and there is drawers that go. Christina just picked this up for Nicole.
My cute friend's moving. She's building a new house, and she didn't need this for her daughter anymore. And I thought this would be perfect in Nicole's new room.
Nicole,
Yeah.
what do you think about your new pink dresser?
Cute.
Huh?
Cute.
It's cute.
You.
Is it as cute as you are? Say no. But listen, what do you tell mom?
Thank you.
Are you sure you like it? Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then my brother Benj followed us home from the movie. He went to the movie with us. Now I want to show you something pretty cool. This is something that we're going to be giving away really soon.
A Bluetooth fidget spinner.
A Bluetooth
It
fidget
doesn't
spinner?
look blue to me, and it doesn't look like a tooth
Benj,
either.
play some music on one of those. Benj, you hold it. Oh man. We're gonna be giving away, guys. There's a whole bunch in there. I told you guys, we're gonna be doing some awesome giveaways, so be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Also go to Boost Giveaways and subscribe there, because that's where we're gonna be giving them away. These are doodles. Doodles are delicious. Benj, what do you think?
Pretty good.
Good, huh? Roswell, what do you think about spinach? Nope. Doesn't like it. Wants the cheese doodle, Mom.
I know. I had to get some spinach to balance out all of our doodles that we ordered.
Is that yummy? Is it yummy?
Look at my doodles, guys.
Look at William's doodles, guys. Hey, do you boys like cheese doodles?
Yeah. No, Dad hated it.
You and Nicole do? Nicole, do you love cheese doodles? Mm-hmm. Cheese doodle. In them sauces and then in my mouth.
He went pee in the toilet.
He did?
Yeah, he went pee in the toilet. Wait,
Roxy! Roxy! You pee-pee? Yay! Guys, we made it home from dinner. The kids are going to take a quick bath / shower so that they can get to bed. Because they got, what, tomorrow? School. School drool. Right? But then Tane's also got soccer practice tomorrow. And so does Nicole. She's got her first soccer practice of the season tomorrow night. And William, this dude, has got his first day of school.
Tomorrow's your first day of preschool.
He's excited. Roswell went pee-pee on the toilet for the first time. He's growing up, mama.
That's how I potty train all of our kids. Because every time before they get in the tub, it seems like they have to go pee, like when they hear the water. So that's how we do it.
Good job, Mom. High five. And big props to Christina because most of our kids were potty trained by the age of 2.
And they all knew how to like go pee on the toilet by themselves by like 18 months. It was awesome.
Yes.
Splash, 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 splash.
Oh, splash in your face. Splash, I was taking a bath on up on a Monday night. Guys, thanks for hanging out with us today. We love you, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out, guys.
Peace out, guys. Peace out, guys.
Russell. Peace out. Bye-bye. We love you. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.